Behind me is the Beneteau Swift Trawler 48. And the Beneteau Swift Trawler series has been incredibly successful. Beneteau really created a unique niche in the trawler market. So they built an excellent trawler, all the benefits and amenities that trawler buyers expect. Lots of interior space, extreme efficiency at low speeds, bulletproof reliability, and really great self-sufficiency for long cruising. But the twist that Beneteau added to the trawler was the Swift portion. So this Swift Trawler 48 can go 25 miles per hour, no problem. So you can cruise for hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of miles at 9 knots. But when you want to get to port before dark, when you have dinner reservations, or you're just in a hurry, this boat jumps up and goes 25 miles per hour. And a lot of that is because of the unique hull design. We're going to talk about some of those things about the hull design. So all of the Swift Trawler series have a very deep keel starting at the bow. And you see that that deep keel runs all the way the length of the boat. And it gets extremely deep aft ahead of the running gear. And that hull design does a couple of things. Number one, it makes your boat very stable and it tracks very easily, even at low speeds. The other thing it does is it passively resists that side-to-side roll, like the keel on a sailboat. So this boat doesn't even have any mechanical, gyroscopic, or fin stabilization. It's inherently, passively, very stable, resistant to side-to-side roll because of that deep keel. However, that deep keel rises up to a planing surface aft that you use when you want to go 25 miles per hour in the Swift Trawler series. So it has that great keel, all those trawler benefits, the ability to go 25. But the thing that I like the most about this design is that your running gear is completely protected. So if you're exploring shallow waters in the Keys or the Bahamas or the Intracoastal Waterway, you're going slowly, of course, but if you bump into a sandbar, that bow, that keel is all going to impact the sandbar or an underwater log or whatever you might bump into, and avoid and protect your running gear. So running gear is what's expensive. Running gear is what gets you home. This hull is super bulletproof. A slow impact is not going to hurt anything, but anything impacting your propellers or your rudders can obviously be a big problem if you're far from home and an expensive problem no matter where you are. So I feel that hull design really empowers Swift Trawler owners to explore shallow waters. Go into little coves in the Bahamas, because if you bump into a sandbar, you're okay. Your running gear is protected. You're really just virtually impossible to hit bottom with your running gear on a Swift Trawler.